Welcome to my new tutorial where you'll learn how to make simple animation using Adobe After Effects. First, you need your character that you'll animate. I'm drawing a very simple character using Adobe Illustrator. When deciding which character to animate, keep in mind that walking cycle can be problematic if you're animating for the first time. Because of that, I've decided to make a character without legs for this tutorial. Layers are very important for further animation, so make sure to split your character into body parts layer by layer. For my character, I've made separate layers for body, left hand, right hand and hair. When you have your character ready, open Adobe After Effects and create new composition. I'm using Full HD resolution, same as I used in my Illustrator file, to keep size of my character relevant. Although resizing won't be a problem as I'll import vector file directly. When importing Illustrator file, make sure to select composition and layer size. Keep all layers separated and ready to start animating. Double click on your imported character and we can start animating. Just because I want to have a white background, I'll add a solid white layer and move it to the bottom. Now you can see all layers that I've made in Illustrator and you should attach your main layer to all other layers. In my case, I want to attach them to the body. What this does is if I move body, all other parts go with it. But if I move any other part, nothing but the selected part will move. My advice is to hide all layers except the one you're working on at the moment. This way you'll be able to rig it more easily. We'll rig it with Puppet Pin tool, simple tool that will allow us to make a skeleton to our character. As you can see, you can start moving it as soon as you put some pins in. Right now I'm rigging hand of my character, so I'll add another pin in between, representing elbow. Now moving it looks much more like a real hand. I'll repeat the same rigging process for the other hand, and after rigging hands of my character, I'll rig the body. I've put 3 pins to the body, so I did for hands, except that I've added some more pins around the eye to prevent unwanted stretching and moving of it. This could also be fixed by moving eye to its own layer, but this is how you do it if you forgot that before. Lastly, I want to animate hair to look like there's some wind blowing into them. With that in mind, I'm placing pins to each spike of his hair. Always try different pin positions and you'll soon be able to predict how pins will affect your character. We have all parts rigged, so we can start with making actual animation. I will start with animating arms of my character. I want them to look light and going after him. This process is actually pretty easy, you just need to have an idea how you want your animation to look like. What you need to do is to put main frame positions from each part of the body that you want to animate. These frames are called keyframes. All frames in between 2 keyframes will be generated automatically, so you don't have to worry about them. To make a keyframe, just go to time in your animation that you want, using timeline, and move pins that we created before. Make sure to move your position in timeline before making a new keyframe, because obviously 2 things can't happen at one frame, so this would just edit your previous keyframe if you don't change your timeline position. Hands are animated, and now I want to animate body to get little up and down as he moves. Don't forget that we set body as main layer, so there is no need to worry about any other part when we move body, because everything will move with it. Simple up and down animation with a little stretch should do the trick. To make wall animation even smoother, select keyframes, right click and select option Easy Ease. This will ease in and ease out all moves that we did. Lastly, I'll add some random movement to the hair as wind would be blowing into them. Here we go. This is how you make a simple animation using Adobe After Effects. Of course, making animations for different characters are slightly different from one another. But practicing is the best key to improve and make awesome animations. I hope that you've learned something new. If you need more help, make sure to write a comment down below and I'll try to help you. Also, let me know what tutorials would you like to see next. If you enjoyed, please like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Good luck with your animation and see you soon!